Hey guys, so today I'm going to do a direct draw art project here, and what we're going to draw today is a llama. So if you want to draw a llama with me, go ahead and get yourself a piece of paper. We're going to sit our paper portrait style, means long way is up and down. And I'm going to use a marker for mine, but I suggest you use a pencil for yours. I'm just going to use a marker so that you can see mine, but use a pencil so that if you make mistakes you can erase. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is, if you pretend like this paper is cut in fourths, you're going to kind of go to this side over here in the of the paper, and you want to make just kind of a long upside down U. Like that. Kind of long upside down U shape, and that's going to be the head and the neck of the llama. Okay, then once you have that done, you're going to do the body of the llama, and so I would suggest picking this side, and you just want to kind of continue it in to a body like this, and then connect it to the bottom of the U like that. And you can tell Miss Barnett's picture isn't perfect. Yours doesn't have to be perfect. We're just doing this for fun, so don't freak out if it's not exactly right. If you make a mistake, you can erase. If it doesn't look exactly the way you want it, it's okay. We're just doing this for fun and practice our following directions. Okay, so we kind of have the head and the neck over here and the body over here. So what we're going to do next is give this llama some legs. So first we're going to draw two of the legs. So first we're going to do like that, and then the other leg over here like this. Okay, so just simple llama legs. And then llamas have hooves, so I'm going to just make a line at the bottom and go like that. If Miss Barnett's going a little bit too fast for you, that's okay. Just go ahead and pause the video and restart it when you're ready, okay? So we have the body, the neck, the head, and two legs. Well, how many legs does a llama have? A llama has 4 legs, so we need to draw the other legs. So the other leg is going to come in front of this one, like that. And it's kind of just real close to that one, like that. So that's showing it's behind the other leg. And this one is on the other side. So and make sure to put a hoof on the leg. Okay. So now we have the legs. Now we're going to put the little tiny cute tail on the llama. So llama just has a tiny cute tail like that. Okay, now let's work on the face. And we're going to give our llama, the llama's going to be looking at us, so we want to make his snout, or her snout, whatever you decide the llama is, like that. And then you're going to do something that kind of looks like an anchor where it goes this way and this way. And that's like the mouth, and then you want to make the nose like a bow on top of that anchor, like that. Okay, so that's like the snout. Then we want to do the eyes, and we're just going to keep the eyes really simple. If you want to do something different for the eyes, that's okay. But I want to keep my eyes really simple because it's just a fun cartoon drawing. Okay, so now that we have the face, now we need to put the llama ears. So I'm going to move my paper down just a smidge. And llama's ears kind of stick up a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one ear. Like that. One ear. Okay, and that's the outside of the ear, and then just do inside of the ear like that. You want the ear to be a little bit more rounded and not pointy, but yeah. Okay, so we got the ears, the mouth, the head. Okay. Ooh. Okay, now we want to give the llama a little bit of pizzazz and make our llama look fancy, because he's not just a roaming llama, he's a fashionable llama. So what I'm going to do is put like a little, I don't know what it's called, like a towel or a saddle on him, so that he's going to be fun to ride. So I'm going to do a circular saddle. If you want to do a different shaped saddle, that's okay, but this is what I'm going to do. So that's kind of like the saddle or the towel that's on it. You can decorate it however you want. I'm going to make mine pretty simple. Just with some lines on it. And then I'm going to put tassels on the end of his towel. So you can do whatever you want. This is how I want to decorate my little saddle towel. I think it looks nice that way. Okay, so I have my towel and my little tassel thing there. And then now we're going to give it a little bit more pizzazz. And put like a banner around his neck so he feels like a fancy guy. So, if you want to do this, you can. If you like your llama that way, then you do that too. Okay, so here's the banner I'm going to put on him. I'm going to decorate the banner with some puffballs, kind of like what we have on our whiteboard at school. if you want to clean this up a little bit, you can. You can kind of erase the line right here and the line right here, so it kind of looks like his legs come from that side, or if you like it this way, then do it that way. I'm going to color mine. You can color yours the way you want. I'll come back and show you what mine looks like once it's colored. Okay, here's what mine looks like. I decorated the towel and the decoration around its neck. You don't have to decorate yours like this. You can decorate it however you want. But when you're done, don't forget to sign it so everyone knows who made it. So don't forget to sign it and put the date. So I'm making this on 4/15/20 so we can keep it forever. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this llama. I would love you to send me a picture of your llama, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!